So how to change the address on your V5C logbook. So in this video, I'm just going to run you through step by step on how to change the address on your vehicle logbook. So it's a very simple process. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come to this web page here on the government website where it's titled here, change your address on your vehicle logbook. So I'll leave a link below in the description. So once you're on this page here, just make sure to give it all a read. And once you've given it a read and understand, if you scroll down right here, you can change your address online by selecting the green button which says Start Now. Then once you've done that, you'll be brought through to this page here where you'll just need to go ahead and enter your car registration number and the latest V5C registration certificate that you've got. So that will be your old one for your old address. And if you're not sure where to find the number, if you click right here, you can see it's an 11-digit number on your old document. Then from there, just enter your old postcode. And once you've entered your old postcode, click continue. Then once you've done that, you'll be brought through to this page here, which will just ask you to confirm if the car matches. So as you can see in our example, it's a Vauxhall Corsa. So if that's correct, you just need to go ahead and select yes. Then once you've selected on yes, click continue. Then from there, you then just need to go ahead and enter your old address. So from here, you can enter the postcode and also the house number. Then once you've done that, select find address. And then from there, you just need to confirm whether if the address matches. And if it does, select yes, continue. Then after that, you'll be asked if you want a confirmation email. This is optional, but of course, if you select yes, it means they keep in touch if there are any problems. Then once you've selected either yes or no, click continue again. Then after that, you'll then just need to go ahead and approve your information. So go ahead and check everything, scroll down to the bottom, and if you're happy with everything, you can tick the box at the bottom to confirm that you are the registered keeper and the details you've entered are correct. Then once you've done that, click confirm and continue again. And there you have it. And your application is now being processed. So it now simply becomes a waiting game for them to post your new one. In the meantime, however, you must now destroy your old V5C registration certificate as this is no longer valid. So go ahead and destroy that and just wait for your new one to be posted out. And on the topic of what happens next, you should receive your new registration certificate within 5 to 7 working days. And if you've not received it after 14 days, you then must contact the DVLA. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.